Simple interest. Simple interest is the interest calculated on the original amount of money that is invested or borrowed for the entire period. It does not involve compounding, where borrower end up paying interest on principal and interest that grows over multiple paying periods. It is factored in business transaction, investment, and financial products, extending multiple period or years.
Question 1. Danish investor M7,000 in bank Z for 8 years. If simple interest rate if given 3% per annum. A. State the value of P, S, I, R, or T based on the information given. B. Find the amount of interest earned by Danish. C. Find the accumulated amount at the end of 8 years.
Simple interest have two formulas. The first one is simple interest formula. I equal PRT. I stand for simple interest, P stand for principal, R stand for rate of simple interest, and T period of on investment. The second formula is simple amount. Simple amount is S equal P plus I, and S equal P in bracket 1 plus RT. S stand for simple amount, P stand for principal, I stand for simple interest, R rate of interest, and T time of investment.
The answer for question A is P equal to RM7000. For R equal to 3% change to 0.03. And lastly, T equal to 3 years. To answer question B, first we need to find simple interest for Danish, which we must find I. So we must use formula I equal to PRT. So now we can make conclusion. I equal to RM7000 bracket 0.03 bracket 8 years. So interest Danish earn is RM1680. Next question is question C, which we need to find simple amount. The formula we must use is S equal to P plus T. So the conclusion is S equal to RM7000 plus RM1680. The simple amount that Danish get is RM80,680.
So for discussion topic 5.2, which is simple interest. On question A, we can see that we get P for 7,000. R, the rate is 3%, which is 0.03, and lastly T is 8 years. Next, for question B, after calculation using formula, we get 1,680. This amount shows the amount of interest earned by Danish. Lastly, for question C, the accumulated amount at the end of 8 years is 8,680. This amount shows the sum or total of the initial investment plus interest earned to date. In conclusion, simple interest is one way to calculate interest over a fixed amount of time. Simple interest is more advantageous as it keeps overall interest payments lower.
Retailing mathematics. Retailing consists of the sale goods or merchandise from a fixed location, such as a department store or kiosk, or by post, in small or individual lot for direct consumption by the purchaser. It also refers to the math skills or formulas used in the field of sales. In its simplest definition, it means making money or taking chance. Detailed math is used by business owners, retailers, managers, and sales associates in their day-to-day tasks.
Question 2. The problem statement is the cost of a television is Rm2000 and was sold with gross profit of 30% based on cost. A. State the value of C and express GP in terms of cost based on the equation above. B. Calculate the selling price of the television.
Method for retailing mathematics is M equal SP minus C and SP equal C plus M. M markup is the difference between the selling price and the cost price. Cost price is the amount paid for merchandise when it is acquired. Selling price is the price at which merchandise is sold. Markup M, the difference between selling price and the cost. And the last one marked down is the decrease in the selling price of the merchandise.
D is an example for 5 to 5 retailing mathematics. The question is the cost of television is 20,000 ringgit and was sold with gross profit of 30% basic on cost. They have two questions. Question A is the state the value of C and express GP in terms of cost basic on the question above. B. Calculate the selling price of the television. First, we have to solve question A. C equal to Rm2000 ringgit. GP equal to 30%. We have to convert to 0.30 and we have to do GP 600 ringgit. Now we have to solve question B. They have formula SP equal C plus M. Now we have to calculate C equal to Rm2000 last bracket 0.3 multiple Rm2000 ringgit. SP equal to Rm2000 ringgit plus Rm600. Total is Rm2600.
Lastly, for the topic 5.5, which is retailing mathematics, on the question 1A, after calculation, we can see that the cost price of a television is 2,000 ringgit. This amount indicates the amount paid for merchandise when it is acquired. Then, we also got the gross profit in terms of cost, which is 600 ringgit. For the question B, the amount that we got is 2,600 ringgit. This amount shows the selling price of a television. In conclusion, retailing is the way to find the cost price, selling price, markup, and gross profit. By using this concept, we can find the selling price for a product based on the markup. Then, we can know the cost price that the product acquired. And lastly, we can express the gross profit in a product.